Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. This week in one of my classes, as usual to be honest at the moment, we ended up getting sidetracked and talking a little bit about COVID, about the ongoing lockdowns in different countries, about the third and even fourth waves of COVID currently hitting some places. At the same time, there was a silver lining. Some of us were talking about getting vaccinated. Indeed, I had my first shot of the AstraZeneca vaccine last Saturday, so I'm well on my way to being protected here. One of my students who's recently been vaccinated was talking about how much he's looking forward to being able to go and visit his elderly parents on the coast. At the same time, he wasn't sure when it would be possible to do this because of the ongoing situation. So he said, I can't wait to go to the seaside to see my family, but at the same time, I'm not holding my breath. Quite literally, if you hold your breath, it means you do this. Yeah? It's often used metaphorically, where you say, I'm not holding my breath, to mean I'm not expecting this to happen anytime soon. In the same way, one of my neighbours is having his kitchen renovated. We were chatting the other day and I said, when do they think it's going to be done? He said, well, they've told me by the end of the month, but I'm not holding my breath. We also often use this as a negative imperative. Okay, so you might say, well, she did promise to get back to us sometime next week, but don't hold your breath. Well, I might be able to get it done sometime in the next couple of weeks, but don't hold your breath, meaning it might take longer than expected. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button below, share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you might use don't hold your breath or I'm not holding my breath.